Hello and welcome back to Portuguese for Beginners. Bem-vindo! Are you ready to start? As always, let's review our last session. It was all about sports and related verbs. Do you remember? If not, you will now. Just repeat after me, please. Desportos: beisebol, futebol, basquetebol, golfe, hóquei, ténis, voleibol, natação, piscina, estádio, ginásio, jogo, partida, equipa, corrida, bola, raquete, rede, jogar, esquiar, praticar, lançar, chutar, ganhar, empatar, perder. All right. Today we will have another praticar e aprofundar session to consolidate all the new knowledge you have acquired in the last lessons. Does it sound good to you? I hope so. The practices will be all around these three subjects: shopping, sports, and leisure. Compras, desporto e lazer. I will invite you to plan a day that involves going to the shops, playing some sports, and enjoying life. All right? If it sounds difficult, don't worry. I will guide you through it. So we start by planning our morning in the shops. Here you have to define where you're going. To the shops, to the mall, and why are you going? I mean, what do you need to buy? Alright? So first complete the sentence. Em primeiro lugar, vou, with where are you going? And then the sentence, porque preciso de comprar, because I need to buy, and define what are you going to buy. Alright? My suggestion is that you pause the session here so you have time to think and write carefully. Then come back to see some examples. Okay? I will wait here. Are you back? Great. Let's see some options. Okay, here are some possibilities. Em primeiro lugar, vou ao centro comercial, à loja, porque preciso de comprar um vestido, uma camisa, uns sapatos. Did you prepare something similar? Remember, you may always check previous lessons for vocabulary, alright? Okay, now we will plan our afternoon with some sports. Here you have to define where are you going in the afternoon and to do, play or practice what. Alright? So first complete a sentence, logo vou, with where are you going? And then the sentence, com os meus amigos e, with my friends, and defining what you are all going to do in that place. Play football, run, you choose it. So pause the session and come back with your answers. Then I will show you a few alternatives. Okay? I'll wait here. Are you back? Okay, let's see some options together. Logo vou ao ginásio, ao parque, ao estádio, com os meus amigos. E vamos praticar natação. Vamos jogar ténis. Vamos jogar futebol. Did you come up with something like this? Alright, now time for some fun in the night. After a morning in the shops and an afternoon playing sports, it's time for... You decide. Are you going to the cinema? To a restaurant? Or you just want to stay at home, resting? Think a little about it and let me know. I will wait here. Have you decided? Okay, let's see some options. Por último, vamos ao restaurante, ao cinema, a casa. Did you choose a similar option? And how did this day sound to you? Pretty busy, huh? Alright, we are almost ending. I will just invite you for a final challenge. Here is a complete paragraph with some alternative plans for a day, based on the options we have seen together. So I invite you to prepare something very similar with the plans you have defined for your day. Okay? You may use this as a base and change the alternatives as you like. Let's read it together. Hoje tenho planos. Em primeiro lugar, vou ao centro comercial porque preciso de comprar sapatos. Logo, vou ao parque com os meus amigos e vamos jogar ténis. Por último, vamos ao cinema. I hope you have a great day. Congratulations and see you in our next lesson. It will be our last lesson.